Finish what my buckle or shit. Yeah, them there. They're not dead, man. They're not carrying the mash up.
So the one not call him. Send the car. Then they not flag down one car and come and come. Watch out. Nobody not even did have to talk to you. You go down and get ready.
You're not going to school. They drunk for them find the road, the other man goes over about like they not just wait, they not see what take place.
Nobody knows what takes place.
Go yes, sir. All that they have to do. Yes, sir.
Why now you stop for black up the road? Police need to come and lock them up